Hello, lovely people. I welcome you once again to Jovit Academy Graphic Design Training using the smartphone. Now, in this lesson, we are going to design a wedding invitation card or wedding card, just like the one you are seeing on your screen. So, let's go. With this kind of design, we can go to my poster my walls and design that. But today, we are not going to use my poster my walls. We are going to use the Pixel Lab app. So let's go straight and select our image size. So the project size that we are going to use, 6 by 64. So 664 by 1024. That is the size we are going to use. But this is not the fixed size for wedding cards. But it's an option. That's why that way. So while choosing this, you can also choose your own. Okay, so let's first of all change the background color. So let's start. First of all, we need a text here. So let's select this text and let's edit it. And let's type this here. So this is our first text. So let's scale it nicely and place it somewhere here. So with this, you can go to text layer and change the font style. So we can go there and go to font and change it. So let's select something here like this. Okay. So let's open it up. Okay, so from there then we need the person, the couple's name. So let's add another text here. And then that will be for the couple's name. So we can use something like let me use my name. So John. Then we can use the ampersand or the and sign. Then the other person's name too. Let's say choose my wife's name, Ruth. Okay, so we have this. So with this, you can go to alignment and center. Go to alignment and center. Then go to font and you change the font style. So let's make this one like this and let me see. Okay, let's use that one for now. Okay, so with this, then we go to size. Let's go to size and enlarge it a bit. Okay, so we have this one too here. Okay, so after this, we also need another text here. So let's add another text here. And that one will be, let's say, wedding. So let's type wedding here. So that one too, you can maintain it or we can reduce the size. Sorry, the font style or the font of it. So let's use the same thing as we used for the first text. Okay, so this one, let's use it as the same as that. Okay, and let's reduce the size to. Okay, so let's add a shape here. So let's put the shape here and change the shape to a diamond shape like this. And then let's scale it down. Okay, so let's open it up a bit like this. And scale it down again. Okay, so now I think it's okay. Okay, so now we can move it. Let's move it here. Okay, so we create a copy of this and then we place it just beside it. Okay. So after getting these two shapes, let's go to layer and merge that shape. Let's merge these two layers here. Okay, so we can now place them here in the middle here. Okay, so we still need another shape, so let's add. Okay, then with this one we want to make it in a line form, so we reduce it like this, then we place it somewhere here. So with this, let's create a copy of that. Let's use the relative position now to move that one away from it. Okay, so we have it here. So we can now let's move it this time. Okay, so I think this one will be okay. So we can now merge them. Okay, so let's proceed here somewhere here. Okay, so we still need some text, so let's add some text again. Let's add a text here. So the text will be like this. So let's type this one there. Okay, so this kind of text, it depends on you. It depends on you, so you can do something with it. You can use your own text to do that. Okay, so I prefer to use this one, so I'll just shift it down here and check the size and then reduce it. And we check the alignment and center it. Okay, so this one is cool. So let's maintain the font too. And then you can add the dates, the time, and the venue. So that one can also be in one text. So let's deal with that one. So the date will come. So let's say December. Let me use my own date. So let's say November. Then you bring the location. So the location, you can use the vectors that we learned previously. So we get to that. So let's take the location. So you can say Atonsu, Kumasi, something like this. Good. Okay, so let's go back. Let's change everything to capital letters. Okay, so we can now bring everything down to the section. We check the size, we reduce the size. Okay, so let's open it up. Okay, I think it's okay. So we can send it here and check the alignment. And we align them center. Okay, so with this one we can change the font. So let's change the font. We can use the stylish one that we used previously. Okay. Okay, so this one is cool. This one is cool like this. Okay, so let's add the vector. Let's add the vector, the location vector too. So you go to gallery, then you go to where you save your vectors, and then you insert it nicely. So apart from the location vector, you can use time vector to use date, calendar vector to for the others. Okay. So the next one RSVP, that's the reserved protocols. So you can use phone number. Let's say the person's name and phone number. So let's say something like, let's say David. Make them all capitals and then place them here. So with that one too, you can center it. You can center it and reduce the size. Okay, so you can see that we have everything here intact. So our this thing, our shapes, our text are all in their correct position here. So the next thing we are going to do is we are going to insert something called flora as wedding flora. So wedding flora too, you can go to your browser and then download it. So you just type wedding flora PNG, but you need the transparent one. So we are going to add the wedding flora here. So let's go. We have already downloaded some, so let's go to our gallery and get the download one. So let's just insert it. You can see it here nicely. So you can then open up the file like this. Then you place it. It will work nicely like this. Okay, so I think this one is okay. Based on the colors, you see the colors and everything is intact. It's good. So we have it here. Good. So after placing it on your work, so let me see something. So now please, if the placement is okay, so let's lock it. Let's lock so that it will not move. So we are now going to arrange the text inside it so that it will be visible for us. Okay, so I think let's unlock this one and open it up. Okay, so now let's lock it back again. And then deal with arrangement of our text inside it. And then if there's a need for us to change the colors to, you can then do it. Okay, so let's try to add some text colors. So I think this one is okay. This one, let's shift it here a bit. And then let's see if we can add some colors to make it nice. So let's go and pick a color from the flora. Okay, let's use this color and see if it will work for us. Okay, I think this one is cool. This one is cool. Very, very good. Good. So we can change the color of this one to I think this one is now a shape. So let's go to shapes and then change the color. We can use this one too here. Okay, so this is it. So I think with the arrangements, let me select this one and then we can then place that one here so that it be visible. Then let's open it, this one also up, and then let's place the vector. So with this vector, I think we need to change the color. one is okay for us now. With the arrangement, everything is okay. Okay, so this is how we create